In breaking news, Clinton Barker has just put 1D Garden Avenue, Campbelltown, South Australia on the market. Hi everyone, I'm here at another property, 1D Garden Avenue in Campbelltown. Beautiful little townhouse. Have a look at that, you see it behind me. Really sought after area, close to town, convenience, very convenient property. Let's have a look through and see what you think. So at the front, roll the door to your garage. Hey, nice big wooden door. Wow, have a look at this. Very modern, very nice. Downlights, reverse cycle air conditioning. Island bench. Look at the fridge space. Big enough to put a big fridge in there. Gas cooktop, double sinks. Mind you, someone's left something in there. And you've got your living area over there. What's around here? Oven, Bosch oven, and a Bosch dishwasher. You go upstairs. And you've got a nice little area out here for sitting there having a morning coffee, reading the paper. Very nice. And down below, oh, this is just the storage and the toilet and the laundry. Very useful laundry area. You can see outside there's a rainwater that's pumped to the house, so to save on the water. And we can see that we've got a zoned air conditioning. And that's the door from the garage. Alright, here's the upstairs area. We'll just check out the bathroom first. The size of that tub. Nice big bathroom, big shower unit. Lovely vanity. Very modern, lovely fixtures. Go from there. And that's the thing about this house, very modern, lovely. We'll go into the main bedroom. As you can see, an abundance of room here. So you've got plenty of room on each side of the bed for the bedside tables, etc. Then we got the walk-in robe. And then here we go is the ensuite. And the ensuite. Lovely rain head shower, very big, probably a couple shower that one. Go out. Around the corner we're into bedroom 2. Again, abundance of room, plenty of space, and the storage, look. Floor to ceiling, built-in mirrored robes. Fantastic. And from here we'll go to the third bedroom. Even though it's a third bedroom, there's still plenty of size. The only thing about this one, hey, not quite as much storage, but still floor to ceiling, mirrored robes, still. Well, that's it everyone. That's a quick whirlwind tour of 1D Garden Terrace in Campbelltown. Tell me what your thoughts are. Like and share, I'd be much appreciative. Subscribe to the channel. Check me up on my Facebook. And also, I'd be really interested to hear what you think about this property and what price you think this will go for.